This is the front glass replacement for the Note 3. As you can see, it works. Everything. Sorry for the camera angle. So we're going to replace the front glass. We already removed the old one. So this is using the UV LOCA glue that I sell on eBay. You'll get it in this syringe, the UV protective syringe. So let's go ahead and do this. Just knock the dust off the lens. Let's see. I'm just working it, make sure it gets you'll get this kind of effect, but it's fine because it just bubbles. You just put a little bit of pressure on there, you'll be okay. So we're gonna put on the UV light. The recommended time is 5 minutes. I like leaving it in there a little bit longer. It doesn't hurt. Just to make sure that all the LOCA has cure. And then the little bit of LOCA that oozes out, I just clean it with regular alcohol. It's I always get 91%. Less water, so that means it evaporates faster, and of course you don't damage your phone. It's almost there, so we're just gonna stick it up underneath the UV light for a little bit longer and we'll be done. So don't forget to buy your glue from me on my eBay store. I'll put a link on this on my listing. No air pockets, no air bubbles, as you can see. This is the best LOCA that I have found. I have bought some from other eBay sellers, and because I do these repairs, I just didn't like it. One of them was too thick, and they sell a lot of LOCA. I just think it's a little bit overpriced. This LOCA that I found, it works perfect. I like it. I done hundreds of repairs like this, and I haven't had one complain. I even did my own phone, and I left it in the car before when it was 98 degrees outside, the windows shut, door shut. I didn't see anything damaging it. Some LOCAs will start, you see like spider webs on your screen. Not with this one. Like I said, it doesn't hurt to leave it in there a little longer. I was leaving it in there for about 10 minutes. Please thumbs up, give me thumbs up, and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos up. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.